Imagine standing in front of a crowd, owning the stage, and delivering a message that leaves everyone in awe. Sounds impossible? Stick around, because today we're unlocking the secret to mastering public speaking with confidence. Hey everyone, welcome back to SAH Rise and Shine, the place where we help you rise, shine, and own every moment. I'm Syed Afzal Hussain, and today we're diving into a topic that can change your life, mastering the art of public speaking with confidence. Whether you're speaking at a meeting, presenting at a conference, or even addressing a crowd for the first time, public speaking is a skill that can open doors to personal growth, leadership opportunities, and even influence. So, grab a seat and let's get into it. Part 1. Why public speaking matters in today's world. So let's start with why public speaking even matters. The truth is, we live in a world where communication is everything. Whether you're leading a team, advocating for a cause, or just making a great impression in your career, the ability to speak confidently is a game changer. Public speaking is one of those sought-after skills that can set you apart in almost any field. Think about it. Leaders, influencers, and even entrepreneurs are often known for how well they communicate their ideas. When you speak effectively, you have the power to inspire, influence, and motivate people to take action. But it's not just about speaking for the sake of speaking, it's about connecting with people. When you can clearly convey your message and connect with others on a personal level, you create lasting impact. So what does that mean for you? It means that by mastering public speaking, you're not just improving your ability to communicate, you're unlocking doors to new opportunities for personal growth and leadership. Part 2, Conquering Stage Fright, Unlocking Your Confidence. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, easier said than done. Trust me, I get it. The fear of public speaking is real. In fact, it's one of the most common fears out there, right next to the fear of spiders. But here's the good news, it's conquerable. The first step in overcoming stage fright is understanding the root of your fear. For a lot of people, the fear stems from the pressure of being judged. We worry about making mistakes, forgetting our lines, or looking silly. But here's the thing. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does it. And it's how you handle those moments that truly matters. Here's a game changer. Practice mindfulness techniques before you step up. Try taking deep breaths, focusing on the present moment, and even doing some quick meditation. It helps calm your nerves and reset your mindset. Another thing that works wonders is visualization. Imagine yourself on stage, speaking confidently and connecting with your audience. Visualizing success not only calms your nerves, but also helps you focus on the message you're delivering, rather than the fear of being judged. Part 3. Mastering the art of preparation. All right, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of public speaking, preparation. Think of it like this. Would you walk into a big exam without studying? Of course not. The same goes for speaking in front of an audience. Preparation is key to confidence. Start by structuring your speech with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction grabs their attention, the body delivers your core message, and the conclusion leaves them with something to remember. Now, don't just give dry facts. Bring your speech to life with compelling stories or relatable examples. People connect with stories, so make sure to use them to illustrate your points. Plus, they'll keep your audience engaged. And hey, visuals are your best friend. Whether you're using slides, videos, or props, visuals can make your message more memorable and impactful. But don't just rely on them. They should complement your message, not take over. Finally, practice. Practice in front of a mirror with a friend or even recording yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Part 4. Engaging your audience, creating a lasting impact. Okay, you've got your speech ready. Now, how do you make sure your audience remembers you? It's all about engagement. You don't want to just stand there and talk at them. You want to connect. Start with eye contact. It might feel intimidating at first, but looking people in the eye creates a connection that makes them feel like you're speaking directly to them. It's personal and it shows confidence. Next, let your body language do some of the talking. Stand tall, move around the stage, and use gestures to emphasize key points. But here's the important part. Make sure it feels natural. Your body language should flow with your message, not distract from it. Don't forget about your tone of voice. Vary your pitch, speed, and volume to keep things interesting. A monotone delivery will make your audience zone out. Trust me, you don't want that. Lastly, consider adding interactive elements, whether it's a quick poll, a question to the audience, or even a call to action. Engaging your audience creates a more memorable experience for them. Part 5. Sustaining your confidence, cultivating a growth mindset. So now you've delivered your speech, but what happens next? The key to sustained confidence is to always keep growing. Reflection is important. After every speech, take a moment to reflect on what went well and where you could improve. Get feedback. Ask for constructive criticism from trusted friends, mentors, or colleagues. It might sting a little, but it's the best way to improve. And celebrate your progress. Public speaking is a skill that gets better the more you practice. So, every step forward is a victory. Keep refining your skills and don't be afraid to take on new speaking challenges. The more you grow, the more confident you'll feel. And there you have it, the secrets to mastering public speaking with confidence. I hope this video gave you some helpful tips to start conquering your fears and speaking like a pro. Remember, confidence comes with practice, so keep putting yourself out there and refining your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to SAH Rise and Shine for more awesome content. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tips you'd like to share with the community. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining. What have you learned? Now that you've watched this video, take a moment to reflect. What have you learned about yourself and public speaking? Maybe you've realized that stage fright is something we all face, and it's completely normal. But most importantly, you now know that you don't have to be perfect to be impactful. Public speaking is about connecting with your audience and delivering your message with confidence. Maybe you learned the importance of preparation. By structuring your speech and using storytelling, visuals, and engaging elements, you can keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Or maybe you've learned that confidence doesn't just come naturally, it's a skill you build over time. By embracing a growth mindset, practicing mindfulness, and always striving to improve, you can keep building your confidence. Whatever it is, remember that every step you take toward mastering public speaking is a step toward becoming the best version of yourself. So, take a deep breath, believe in your message, and go out there and shine.